Mathematics. Today I'm going to be going over the new Vaultbox that's coming out. The past two Vaultbox series have sold out in like 10 to 15 minutes, if that. They've been extremely popular. And Vaultbox Series 3 is a bit different because they actually have coins in them, whereas Series 1 and 2 were mostly modern bullion items, silver eagles, gold buffaloes, things like that. So, trying to change a few things with the Series 3 to hopefully get more people involved. And I think the changes are better. It's still gambling, but it's a tad bit better. So some of the coins, like the big ones, are the 1909 SVDB, 64 red brown. That's probably like a $2,500 coin. 1881 proof trade dollar. That's probably like a $3,000 coin. Same thing with most of these on this list. So definitely some big hits available, and it's up to you to decide. Obviously, you'll be able to make money immediately. They're probably selling for like $300 on eBay already. So if you do buy it, you have an automatic out if you don't want to gamble and just make some money right off the bat. But there are some decent coins. It's only $229 this time. Previous ones were like $700. You got 3 coins with them. This one you only get 1 coin, and limit per household is still 2. And important is July 26th, 9 a.m. Pacific. So don't get confused with that if you end up being interested in this. Unfortunately, there's so many coins that David Schwager and I could not even try to put a value to each one and then average it out to see exactly what the price should be depending on the values. I got through like the first 20 and then realized there is over 2,000. There's 2,183 boxes being sent out. So if you buy 2, it's about a 1 in 1,000 chance to get any of these coins. The rare ones at least. Some of them have a greater quantity than 1. But honestly, not so bad. You have 3-legged buffalo, the Fu-Gi-Oh cent, some colonials, some early copper, really all over the place, but decent coins. If there's anything to be expected from previous vault boxes, the previous 2, it's that the value statistically is probably $180 per box. So not terrible. The worst coins I found on here were like common Morgan dollars. So worst case scenario, if you buy 2 boxes, you'll get like $100 per, and so you're out, $250. But certainly not terrible. There's also some really dogged coins. I mean, the 1906 Proof 60, there's a few Proof 60s. Those are going to look terrible. But, some decent coins. There's definitely a lot of early copper, which I was super surprised about. And a lot of coins that you may not have purchased beforehand, but if you got it, you would keep it. You can see there's also a 1964 diamond, 64. Real big coin. So I'd say about 5% of the coins you're going to really make out on. About 10% coins you're going to do well on, make $100, $200 on. And then about 80%, or rather, probably like 70%, you're going to break even, if that, and then the remaining percent is you're going to be losing like $100. So I'll definitely be trying to get these for myself. I think it would be fun to open up a few boxes for a video. And, bailout is always some, $100, make $100 on each one. And unfortunately, they haven't released the cert numbers, so we don't get to see how much they're going to be buying back the coins and what some of them look like prior to the release, which is a bummer. But afterwards, with Vaultbox, they offered to buy some of the coins back. Well, they offered to buy all of them. Whether or not you choose to do so, or their price, their offer is fair, is up to the person who has the coin. So, something to think about. Again, July 26th, and that's at 9 a.m. Pacific time. The pre-sale today sold out in 2 minutes. Those were only 100 boxes, so you'll have 2,000 left, and we'll see what everything has to offer. Take care.